Hey, what's up guys, my name is Albin Kumar and welcome to my channel. And in this video I'll be installing Cank headset on my bike, and I will also tell you guys the reason why I am not installing a tapered fork or a tapered headset on my bike. So before we get into that, let's see what's inside this box. Alright, so in this box we have a headset and an installation guide. Alright, so what else we have? So we have a top cap with a bolt and a star nut. Oops, everything flying everywhere. Alright, and then we have, this is a top cap with bearing and top cover, and then we have a bottom cap with bearing and a crown race. Alright, so the external cup size is 34 millimeters, as well as for the bottom one, external cup, 34 millimeters. Alright, so the reason why I'm unable to install a tapered head tube, and honestly I didn't know about that until I got it. So this is the adapter that converts straight steer to tapered, and when we look at it closely, it still has the top cap, star nut and the bolt, top cover with top cap and then bottom cap. But when we measure the external cup size, it comes to 44 millimeters. Alright, this one as well, 44 millimeters. So I checked on my bike, the external cap on my bike is 34 millimeters, which is this one. And I even tried putting the fork, the tapered fork, into the head tube. It's not going in, so I got no choice but to go back to the straight steer tube, and this is going back to where this is going back to Amazon. However, this is a pretty good product, and if you guys do decide to upgrade to a tapered, from straight to a tapered, check the external cup on your bike before purchasing, and avoid making the same mistake that I did. So let's get into installing the headset on my bike. Welcome to my garage, aka my living room. I live in an apartment, so the space is very limited, but anyways, let's get to it. So the tools that we need to install is a hammer, a flat screwdriver, Allen key and multi-purpose grease. Alright, so I've already removed the wheels and the brake caliper, and I've also removed the top cap. So now I'm going to remove the handlebar. So while you're doing this, be careful, keep holding the fork, because this might fall down and you might get injured if it falls on your leg. So the reason why I'm changing my headset is because of this bearing. I would say this is an open bearing and it doesn't feel that good compared to the seal bearing that's already on Cank. So let's put this on the side. Now using a flat screwdriver, gently tap out the cap. So while you're doing this, make sure do not hit the tube. Take your time and make sure you see where you're hitting it. Alright, so both the caps came out. So before we install the new cap, just do a quick measurement just to make sure that it's the right cap. So this is 34 millimeters, which is good. And do a really quick wipe down, clean it, and also check if there's any damages to it. Alright, this looks good. Apply a little bit of grease so it's easier for the cap to fit. Let's fit the top cap first. Alright, so taking a small piece of lumber and then just tap gently. This sheet is not going in. Alright guys, so hammer and piece of wood was not working, so I had to improvise and use a meat tenderizer, which is made of plastic, so there was no damage done on the headset, and I don't see any cracks on the frame as well. So as long as it went in, I'm happy with it. Alright, so there we have it. That's how I installed my Cank headset on my bike. So in my next video I'll do an installation of the fork. I just placed an order, so hopefully it arrives in a few days, and as soon as it gets here I'll do an unboxing of it and then installation. Until then, if you like my video, just give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions you can leave it in the comment, as well as please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Till then, take care and just ride bike.